So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error when you open any Java file and it says a Java exception has occurred error. This fix works on every Windows 10, 11, 8, 7 and any other you're on. So how to do this? Let's get started. First open Google Chrome or any web browser you like and then search for JDK download. Then hit enter and then open this first website. Now just click on JDK24 and then here you'll see Windows. Click on Windows and then x64 installer. Just click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will download the Java file and you have to install this and restart your PC and then again try to run your Java file again. After that, hopefully your problem fixes, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.